everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sil Gonzalez from the DIY Belizean Mommy, back again with another video. This time I'm back at the rice field, and so it's rather loud. They're spraying rice right now, and we're actually doing some rice harvest as well. And so I just thought I would bring you guys along. We had to bring lunch back here, and of course we made something really nice. We made Belizean Cahune Cabbage, and so as you guys can tell, that I will take you guys along as we made that lunch, brought it back here. I never showed how we ate it and all that good stuff, you know, but just little clips here and there of the rice harvest and them getting ready to spray rice. And it's just kind of like a day in the life of a farmer's wife, you can say, except that my husband, he's a truck driver. He's the one that does all the trucking and takes the rice, and he's actually at the rice mill. So he went and did that, and then while the other guys stay here and take care of stuff on the farm. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. There's like a little bell down beside that subscription thingy there. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on that. That's gonna notify you every time we upload a new video, so you guys don't miss out on any upcoming videos. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay everybody, so we're in the kitchen. My intro was back at the rice field, and so yeah, we're in the kitchen now cooking rice, white rice. We're gonna serve this with our Cahune cabbage that I mentioned earlier. And this is the process of making Cahune cabbage our way. Again, like I always say, everybody cooks differently. This is the way we do it, and hope you guys enjoy watching us and as we prepare this food. So first off, we like to put in some oil. You could use any choice of oil you prefer. You could use regular cooking oil, or you could use coconut oil as well. I know some people put coconut milk in their Cahune cabbage. We don't, although we normally don't. We would put just coconut oil in our Cahune cabbage. And so we're gonna cut up onion and garlic, fry that in the oil, add our yellow ginger and fry it. And again, some people fry their chicken separately, then add it into their yellow ginger. This is the way my mom taught us to cook yellow ginger, whatever kind of meat, ever since, to fry our yellow ginger in that onion and garlic. For Cahune cabbage, if you want your Cahune cabbage to be nice and not watery, then you need to add a lot of oil to it. And so you can see here that I added more oil to my chicken, or to my kettle here. And then we're gonna put the chicken in and start frying this, and you're gonna fry this for a while. You're gonna keep frying until you see that your meat is all coming nicely together with that yellow, and that it has a slight brown to it. And you're gonna just keep doing this for however long. It might take a while, like, I don't know, 15 to 20 minutes or more. You're not gonna add any water. You're just gonna keep stirring and frying this chicken up in the yellow ginger and garlic and onion. Okay, so for this Cahune cabbage this time around, we never showed the part that we chopped up our Cahune cabbage. What happened here is that we got this Cahune cabbage maybe a few weeks ago, and so what my mom did, she blanched the Cahune cabbage. So that means she pre-cooked the Cahune cabbage. She chopped it up like how you would normally do, and she put it, and she just steam it. she just added a little bit of water to it and added in salt, black pepper, and I think just basically salt and black pepper and maybe consomme. And then she cooked that not until it's completely finished, but almost finished. And then she cooled that down, put it in a bag and put it in the freezer. And so we have it in the freezer, and this coon cabbage tasted very good to have been in the freezer for so long. If you blanch your coon cabbage really well, you can keep coon cabbage like this for a long time. So after your chicken is fried and everything, you add in a little bit of water, and we're gonna cook this chicken until it's almost finished, because remember, we already cook our coon cabbage, so we want to cook our chicken until it's almost finished. So we add in a little bit of water, add in the greens, and then we have this cook until it's almost done. So our cooking time for chicken is about an hour. This chicken again was homegrown, and so it takes a little bit longer than some, but we're gonna make this cook and then add in our coon cabbage. And so in this process of videoing and everything, I sped up the video and I cut off clips here and there. And so this is once the chicken is cooked, then we're gonna add in our coon cabbage, and we're gonna stir that in and fully coat our coon cabbage with that yellow ginger and all that good stuff. And once that's fully coated, then we're gonna add in a little piece of tomato. I'm not sure if a lot of people add in tomato in their coon cabbage, but my mom, she add in just like a little, she said just a little bit, not a lot. And then of course, if you want to add your habanero in there, you can do so as well at this point. Why? Because you don't want your habanero to be in that pot all mashed up and burn throughout your food. So once you put everything in your pot, you're gonna see here that my mom used some coconut oil from, she said it's the virgin coconut oil. I never tried this one before, but this is locally made in Belize, if you would say locally made. This is made in Belize, a little village not too far away from Toledo. And so you're just gonna bring this down to a simmer until you could see that the oil is floating around in there between the coon cabbage, and then you're gonna be all done with your coon cabbage after about an hour of cooking. So now we're gonna go back to the rice field. It's almost 12 o'clock. We're packing up everything to go, and so hope you guys enjoy this little trip back to our rice field. This is where we plant rice. My dad plant rice ever since I'm a little girl, and this is something that we did very regularly, and it's a lot of fun. Sometimes it can get to be a lot, but on days like this, summer, it's not raining, the sky is beautiful, the breeze is blowing, very, very windy and cool, and yeah, just to take lunch back to the rice field and kind of just sit back there, relax, and enjoy nature is one of our favorite things to do when we need to get out of the house. So hope you guys enjoy all these little clips here and there of what they're doing back at the rice field. And yeah, and also guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I really, really appreciate all the feedback that we got, the messages and so on that we got from each and every one, and we really, really appreciate it and get really super excited to bring the next video out to you guys. And yeah, So thank you guys so much for all of that support and feedback. So hope you guys enjoy this video, and we will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.